Hello and welcome. I'm Graham Hugay from My House Design Build Team. We have a custom home here in Burnaby that we call Modern Prairie. We have an amazing team that's put this together. Got lots to show you. Come on in.
This is a custom home that we built for a gentleman in Burnaby. I went whole hog on the kitchen design because he did have an overall idea that he wanted more of a clean-lined Scandinavian look, nothing too fussy. We went with a flat slab painted door for the majority of the cabinets, but then I also created a stained oak column and they wrap up and around the fridge area. The same framed-in detail we did at the sink to tie in with the stainless steel dishwasher. Framed-in details with, we also did it at the ovens. We did 2 different thicknesses of countertops. My counter supplier loved that I specified a 3/4 inch thick counter running the perimeter of the kitchen. Another really interesting this island countertop is standard thickness at 1 1/4 inch thick. The living room space on the main floor actually has a vaulted ceiling, and it's the only vaulted ceiling in the whole house. The powder room, we did a freestanding vanity. In that space, we went with a darker colored vanity and a strip of mirror running up the center. We carried the hardwood flooring up the stairs and down the hall on the 2nd floor. The railing is a frameless glass railing with a stainless steel handrail. The stairs consists of 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom has beautiful French doors that lead out to the deck on the 2nd level. This deck overlooks north view to the mountains, and we really love that it maximizes the indoor-outdoor living that the client can have in this space. The ensuite's quite a large and spacious space. It has a freestanding bathtub mounted under a window and a really large walk-in shower. There are 2 sinks and a large central medicine tower on the vanity and wall-mount faucets. The master suite has a lovely walk-in closet with custom designed closet organizers. The basement is sort of the hub of relaxation. It has a really large theater space, and we carpeted the whole space to cut down on echoes and anything that could interfere with the audio in the space. Also located in the basement is a really large gym. Adjacent to the gym, there's a fully cedar-lined sauna so you can sweat it out after you work out. This client also requested that we install an elevator in the space.
So what we're seeing in the mechanical room is our electrical panels and sub-panels, our solar battery backup with a shut-off, our HRV, our hot water tank, and our boiler and elevator equipment.
The overall style of the house on the outside is a modern prairie. It has large overhangs and a very low sloped roof. Additionally, we used a stucco finish on the exterior to keep it clean-lined and modern looking. The client had had requested that we do the roof out of a metal material. We did manage to find a metal roof that looked similar
On the
to that
roof
of a cedar shake.
And then on top of the roof, we also have solar panels.
On the back of the house, we have a patio covered in Trex decking, and we've done our signature, which is a glulam and glass covered structure to allow for 4-season enjoyment of the deck.